Got to interrupt that for some breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has reserved its judgment on the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar Act. This is taking place after a marathon hearing of 38 long days. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja is joining us on the phone line. Meenakshi, over to you.
Well, Viren, what a matter this has been to not just track but also cover and bring to our viewers. Mirror Now viewers will recall that we have been at the forefront of covering each and every twist and turn of the Aadhaar debate in Supreme Court. And another very interesting factoid for the benefit of Mirror Now viewers, the Attorney General, Mr. K.K. Venugopal, a very eminent senior jurist himself, has also informed the Supreme Court as to how the Aadhaar case has been the second longest running argument-wise case in the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has devoted 38 days. Can you imagine the volume of judicial time that the Apex Court has given to this case? 38 days of arguments, after which the Constitution bench just moments back has gone ahead and reserved its judgment that will go on to determine the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar Act. So this is a case which is a very high-stake case. We have seen the government, UIDI, states of Maharashtra and the other parties, independent petitioners, along with those petitioners who had their pleas tagged along with the original petitioners, everyone get a chance to really argue the case in great detail before the Supreme Court. And Aadhaar essentially has been assailed on multiple fronts. Of course, we have seen some solid defense also from the Government of India, the UIDI in particular. We have seen a PowerPoint presentation, the first time PowerPoint presentation ever being made in the Supreme Court before the Constitution bench. So clearly, this is a matter which, whenever the judgment is pronounced, wherein will be not just very closely watched and covered, but the judgment, as a lot of senior counsels argued in court, will perhaps go on to define the future course of this country. But the big news for our viewers is, after 38 marathon days of debate, all sides have concluded their arguments, and the Supreme Court Constitution bench, just ahead of the summer vacation, has decided to reserve its judgment on the same.
Okay.